Thank you.
हमारा ओडिया शेफ शेफ ओ
Yeah, boy.
what a handsome chef and she look such a beautiful girl bro some gentleman तो आप लोगों ने मिनी ब्लॉग से देख लिया होगा कि हम लोग हमारे ड्रामा का रिहर्सल कर रहे थे हम लोग ड्रामा कर रहे हैं 4 प्ले है देख हमें ये असाइनमेंट्स है हमारा सो 4 प्ले है और 4 ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर दिया है और हम लोग सब यहाँ पे आज हमारा ड्रामा परफॉर्मेंस है सो सब लोग यहाँ पे फुल मस्त रेडी वेडी होके आए हैं लेकिन इस गर्मी में ये ब्लैक पहन के मैं तो चलो लेट्स सी सब लोग क्या क्या कर रहे हैं से
चाय खाना है सॉरी
क्या बोला तूने?
पीना है
चाय पीना है यार तुमको अभी इतने गर्मी में ये देख रहे हो इसका स्वेटिंग इसके ऊपर एक और स्वेटर पहन रहा है ये है हमारा लहरी नैरेटर सना नंदना एंड दिया आवर बेस्ट एक्टर देखो अभी भी रो रही है अभी से हियर सम पीपल्स आर देयर फुल मेकअप शेकअप चल रहा है वाह आज अपन पूरा छपरी हुआ है और ये हमारा जेंटलमैन पूरा हाँ रिच जेंटलमैन ओनली नो दिस इज द बॉडी एंड दिस इज अ छपरी लुक नविदा का मेकअप बाय मेकअप आर्टिस्ट कौन नंदना के ओके प्लीज गो वो लोग स्टार्ट कर लिया गाइस देखो मतलब रिहर्सल कर रहे हैं ये लोग सी द प्रॉप्स भिखारी नंदना okay bro we all are acting okay we are in our best outfit
People are not coming to the center.
nice costume everyone drama is going to start आप लोग देखना
So first of all, we don't have any budget for that, and we are not professional, that drama actors or crew members and all. This is just an attempt to kind of associate with or attempt to engage in the dialogue with the genre of the play that we are going to do.
Hey, what happened? You look so disturbed.
How can I recruit soldiers in such a place? I keep on giving up.
What happened?
I have to form 4 platoons by the 12th. It's impossible. Everybody here seems friendly, but I don't trust them. Even if I convince someone to join, they run off the moment they get a chance. You can't trust anybody anymore. There is no loyalty, order, or honesty left. I keep on losing faith in people.
What this place really needs is war.
Exactly.
Peace is the problem. It creates disorder. War brings order and discipline. Places like this, without war, people are so lazy that they don't even count how many men or horses they have. Places like
Good day to you, Sergeant.
good day, good evening you are. Rich people. Huh? Where are your papers? Papers?
But this Mother Courage.
Never heard of her name. Where did she get a name like that?
They call her Mother Courage because she wrote the combat of Africa with 50 loaves of bread in her dragon.
They were going boldly. I couldn't help myself. No funny business. Where are your papers?
Yes, Sergeant. This is a whole Bible. I got it to wrap my cucumbers. This is a map of Moravia. God knows.
Stop! Are you taking a pass at me? You must have a license and you know it.
Show a little respect to a lady. My license in the 2nd Pedestrian Regiment. It's an honest case. Even you wouldn't know how to do it.
Name?
Anna Ferry.
Oh, so all of your friends, right?
I was just talking about me.
And I was talking about your children.
Well, Annie, he's from French. And Catherine, she's half German. Swissies, yes, Swiss. All of us have traveled the whole wide world together. This wagon guard and me.
These lads of yours are straight as Dutchies. What are these fine specimen doing out of the army, right?
Exactly. Soldiers' lives and not for sons of mine.
How do you make a living, woman?
I sell to the soldiers bread, boots,
drama, things are like this. This is how character speaks.
I don't care what your drama is like. This is my jurisdiction and my word will be final. Listen carefully.
Play hide and seek. Come, my sweet one, come. Let's play hide and seek. In the lanes, in the squares, in the gardens, by the streams. In the lanes, in the squares, in the gardens, by the streams.
Can I come
No,
now?
no, no, not now. Wait. Yeah, now you can find me. Find me. Here I am, Jyoti.
Making your voice?
Yeah.
Hey, I come found you.
She's gone! She's gone!
So, Jyoti,
Yes.
when you are going to talk to my father?
Give me just a few more days, Ashok.
You have been saying few more days for past 2 years.
The thing is, Ashok, my wage is too low. What will I say to your father?
But when will their wages be high? It has been happening after 70 strikes. You had said something will be known. I cannot stay longer.
The strike worked, Ashok. For 7 days, workers shut everything down. Next time, even the government will listen. Trust me.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Truly?
Truly.
Swear on my name?
Swear on me. In my area, a lover must know how to behave like a lover. If he does too much or something extra, I know the treatment to give him. What is that?
Understood, sir. From now on, we'll not use the name of CIQ. But can we talk about the wages?
You tell me something. Is he a lover or an accountant that he needs to talk about his wages? Get this clear. He must know how to play the role of a lover properly. And if he doesn't know, it's fine. I can teach him how to woo a lady.
Oh, sir, sir. Please
Wait,
don't take that
oh,
thing, sir. Please don't. Jogi will do it. Won't you, Jogi?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Today you will talk to my father, right?
Yes, Ashok. I'll handle your father on my fingertips like this. Watch and see.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay, then let's go and talk to my father. Papa? Papa, where are you, Papa? Papa? Papa, where are you?
Why is feeling good?
Papa, someone has come to meet you.
Money like this?
No, not Marina. Someone else has come to meet you.
Wait, I'm coming. What is it? What is it? Who is this?
My name is Joginder Singh, sir.
Why are you here?
Dad, I have come to ask your daughter's hand in marriage.
Marriage? What is happening? Ask him. So Joginder, you want to marry my daughter, right? What do you do?
I work in a factory.
Manager,
No,
supervisor,
lower,
accountant,
little bit lower than that.
a worker,
Yes, a machine hand.
a machine hand, machine hand. How much do you want?
562 rupees, sir.
562 rupees. 562. A worker is 562. What is my daughter? 562. You want to marry my daughter? 562. What? 562. You want to marry my daughter? 562. This is your value. 562.
Papa, stop it. Are you okay?
Daughter, listen carefully. With 562 rupees, what will he eat? What will he feed you? These workers live in slums. No water, no electricity. And police harassment, factory closures without hours. What your mother says is correct. At least 1,050 rupees is must to live in the city.
That is exactly what the union says. Minimum wage must be 1,050 rupees. But the government is silent. What can we do?
Then find some other job.
Everywhere it's the same 562 rupees. That is why we fight. That is why we struggle.
So to love, one has to wait for justice?
Yes, Ashok. Even to love, one has to fight.
To live, one has to struggle. To live, one has to struggle. To live.
What is going on? Again you bring a struggle into this drama. Even after I repeatedly warned you. What is going on here?
But sir, we are not shouting slogans. We are not raising flags. We are just showing our life. We are just showing our life, sir.
So you hero will teach me what life is. You think I'm a fool? After all these years of experience? Life! This is life, huh? You are calling propaganda life?
But when the story is about a worker, how can struggle be removed? Can hunger be removed? Can wages be removed? To live, one has to struggle. To live, one has to struggle. To live, one has to struggle. To live, one has to struggle.
Even to love, one has to fight. Then fight me first.
Please stop! Please stop! Stop!
But they promised 1,050 rupees. What is happening?
Jogi, those were all hollow promises. They said they would end contract labors,
Provide housing for children of women workers.
stop police atrocities.
Yes.
Yeah, they were building a heaven for workers in Delhi. Leave this stupid CITU. Yes, join our association. We are united now. Yes, we are united. We are united. Now go ahead.
No,
We are stupid red flag. Throw it away.
No.
Throw it
Hands
away.
off this flag! How dare you? You agents of the capitalists! This is my home. I am CIT, okay? Where were you when I was starving in the lockup? Where were you when the police was thrashing me? Even if all the police in Delhi come at me, I will only shout one name. Eat Gulab Zindabad. CIT Zindabad. Hey! Again you started after repeated warning. This time I give you my battle. Yeah, leave me. Get tired of you. Sit down again.